מורה שוכבת בס הרב חוסן הרב תומים חיים מאיר. The סיום will be in Masechet Tomid. Before we start making the סיום, I just want to make the introduction. It's just something. Tov Shimem Tes, the Rebbe, by the Siche, it was a Siche, and the Rebbe said, so Yodua the Minhag, Lachreino, that we make a סיום every day from Rosh Chodesh. At that time it was only until after Tisha B'Av, because Tov Shinunale was when the Rebbe added on, it should be until Tu B'Av. The Rebbe says, so the Rebbe is going to make a סיום. He says, the first thing is, we have to think, it has to be something that is Todir, v'she'ein Todir. What's first Todir? What is Todir? The Rebbe says Todir is, Tomid is Todir. The Rebbe made another סיום. The Rebbe made two Siyumim. And the Rebbe said in the same Sicha, the Rebbe said, because we have to do something that Dover Abol Yotcho, you have to do it right away. So we'll make a סיום also on Broches. So the Rebbe that night made a סיום both on Tomid and Broches. So now we're learning Tomid. Tomid is a very interesting, the Rebbe mentioned it in that Sicha. We all know about it, but the Rebbe made a point out of it that in Masechet Tomid, it's a Gemara, but the Gemara is very unique because the first four Prokim has Mishnayos and Gemara, and the last three Prokim is only Mishnayos. So the Rebbe says that he connected that to it. The Rebbe connected it with Broches, and the Rebbe said that the סיום in Masechet Tomid, when it comes to Perek Revi, the סיום goes like this. Goes Omer Rab Lozer ben Azariah, Talmidei Chacham Yemar b'Mshor Boelo, Shenevar v'Kol Bonaich Limudei Hashem v'Rav Shlo Bonayu. The Rebbe connected that this is something that is connected to the 3 weeks, especially to 3 weeks, the Indian of Sholem, Sholem v'Emes Ohavev, and this brings the Indian of Sholem, which Bechlal, but the Rebbe, the Zairah from the Rebbe, but the Siyumim, that you should talk about something of Avas Yisrael. So this is the Siyum for that part. The Rebbe also says that in the beginning of the Masechta, right away it starts, it says that there was 3 places where the Kohanim were there were Shomrim in the Beis Hamikdash. And the Rebbe said the 3 goes for the 3 weeks. 3 weeks. And the Rebbe says that the Maskifim סיום Laschole, the Rebbe mentioned that when you finished Masechet Tomid, right away you start Masechet Midas, and in Masechet Midas it goes on and says that also the Levim was 21 Shorim was by the Levim also. The Rebbe says 3 weeks is the 3, and the 21 days is 21 days. Then the Rebbe says this is also a connection, because when the Rebbe said the Sikha in the Teres Menachem it writes Metzoi Rosh Chodesh. Metzoi Rosh Chodesh. So the Rebbe, this was the day. The Rebbe mentioned that this was the day of the Hilula Yortzeit from Aaron HaKohen, and Aaron HaKohen, his whole thing was Inyan Shel Sholem, and this is a hero for us that we should always do all these things of Sholem. Now, by the end of the Mishnah, by the end of the Masechet Tomid, it says what is the Aveda of the Korbanos. It goes on. Actually, the whole Masechet talks about the Korbanos. By the end, it comes to the Mishnah. It says like this: Hashir Shohayu Halevim Emeru Beis Hamikdash. There was a thing that the Levim was saying with every time there was a Korban Tomid, a Korban Tzibur. I'm sorry. When there was a Korban Tzibur, that's when the Levim was used to say the song, the Shir Shohayu Emrim Halevim. This was by Korbanos Tzibur, Korban Tomid, and the Musafim, and all the Korbanos Tzibur that was done then. That's when they was singing, and it says that there was 12 Levim that were singing and 12 Levim that were playing. And in the Rambam it says that there was minimum of 12 Levim, and it can be infinite, as many as you want. And the singing and the same thing goes also with the clay zemer. And there was a special place. There was a bima. Half of them were staying on the bima, half of them on the floor. And when they brought the korbanos, when it came, that's what it says. When it came to the yain, when they made nisuch hayayin, that's when they started to actually sing and play with the instrument. The instrument were nine kinoires, and 2 nevel, and 1 was salsal. Salsal must be some kind of
Symbols.
Yeah. And it says, the Rambam says that you can add on more, but only you can add on, there has to be a minimum of 9 and 2. You can add on more, but when it comes to salsal, it can be only 1. So then the Rebbe also continued. Okay, I'm going to finish and I'm going to just mention one more thing that the Rebbe said in the Sikha because it's very important. Ashir shayu alevim emrim beis hamikdash b'yem harishon hayu emrim laHashem ha'oretz umleyo tevel v'yeshvo b'sheni hayu emrim godel Hashem u'muhulon me'ed v'yir elikenu har kodshei b'shlishi hayu emrim elikim nitzov b'adas keil b'kerev elikim ishveit b'arvi hayu emrim kein lekomes Hashem kein lekomes Sefir b'chamishi hayu emrim הרנינו לאליקים עוזי, הוריעו לאליקי יעקב, בשישו היו אמרים, יהי מלך, השם מלך גויס לובש וגמר, ושבס היו אמרים, מזמר שיר לים השבס, מזמר שיר לאוסיד לובל לים שכולו שבס ומנוחו לחי אלומים. The Rebbe says, very interesting, because when he says about what the Levim had to say, so it gives the order of the days, Sunday, Monday, which the Rebbe also mentioned that now there's 7 prokim, including the 3 with the Gemara and the 3 Mishnayos, is every perik is for every single day. But it talks about that every day what they did at the time of the Beis Hamikdash. But when it comes to Mizmor Shir L'Yom HaShabbos, it says Shir Le'osid Loved L'Yom Shekol HaShabbos. What is a shaykh to a Beis Hamikdash? Because we're talking about something what you do now, not what's going to be. It's something at the present. But the Rebbe says 2 things. First of all, Mesayim B'Dover Teiv, because you want to finish with something good. And the most important thing is that the whole Aveda of the whole days, Sheishes Yom, the 7 days that we do, Sheishes Yom, Ma'aseh is for Shabbos. Shabbos in of Tainug, and that's what we do now. That is, we know that the whole thing of Shabbos. So the same thing is also for us, that we have 6 Alpin Shnim, that we are here, we all waiting and desiring to come to this Galus. The Rebbe, take it from me as Mamesh. אדרון עולם, בזמן שהכהן גודל ובסליק אלוהים מסכת תמיר. יסגד על ויסגד השמיר עליו. אמן.
Amen.
Eis shalom v'yom yas shalom aleinu v'shalom v'amen. Bi adinenu v'reinu v'abenu melech HaMashiach le'olam v'ed. Bi adinenu v'reinu v'abenu melech HaMashiach le'olam v'ed. Bi adinenu v'reinu v'abenu melech HaMashiach le'olam v'ed. Shkoyach everybody, please everybody, come say l'chaim. The Rebbe mentioned that Sikha, it should be in your also in l'chaim, at least l'chaim, if not a suda, l'chaim, and the whole thing. Shkoyach. Oh yeah. Come on.